Hey, if you're one of those looking for a VPN with dedicated IP address, well, yeah, you know how hard it can get. Providers that even have this service are few and far between, and the process of how to get a dedicated IP address is quite complicated itself. You know what? Why don't we figure it out together? Okay, now the reason why you need a dedicated IP is quite clear. It makes the internet way more accessible, but yeah, the service isn't so common. So, to find the best VPN with dedicated IP, I went and tested all the providers that I could find with this specific feature. And in the end, NordVPN dedicated IP option ended up being my personal favorite. So, I'm going to show you how to set it up and tell you a little bit about why it's my best dedicated IP VPN recommendation. Alright, now let's just get right to the point. NordVPN dedicated IP setup can go two ways. If you don't have a NordVPN account, it's actually a bit easier. Weird, right? And if you do, well, there's going to be a few additional steps, but they're not crazy ones. Okay, so first, for you NordVPN newbies, if you don't have an account yet, which would make you a newbie, the process of how to get a dedicated IP goes a little bit like this. Go to the description of this video. Find a special NordVPN link. All right, there it is right here. Now, at the top, and click on it. It will take you straight to Nord's website, but with an exclusive discount deal automatically applied. That's especially important since the dedicated IP option costs a little extra. Yeah, it's nice to save where you can, right? Now, let's select the plan that you want, and here, in your order summary, find the dedicated IP address VPN edition. There it is. Just click Add. Now, choose a payment method and fill in the rest of your info. Alright, once you complete the purchase, you're going to get an email with a special link to choose a location for your dedicated IP VPN server. Now here, you can pick between 5 countries: US, UK, Germany, the Netherlands, or France. Well, that's it. The IP address you get will belong only to you. Now, I am going to show you how to use it in just a second, but first, let's help out those who already have a Nord account. Now, since the dedicated IP is not a basic feature, there are a few extra steps, but it's not super complicated. Basically, you're going to need to make a new temporary account. At first, you can follow the same NordVPN dedicated IP tutorial steps as the new users just did. Here, just pick a random plan to get the discount code section. If you went through the link in the description, you'll see a Cyber News coupon code here. Remove it. Ouch, you see that? Yeah, that hurts. Okay, now add a new code in here, Nord dedicated IP, with no gaps. Alright, see, the pricing changes instantly along with the plan that you picked. Alright, once you have your temporary account, introverts, buckle up because yeah, now you're going to need to contact customer service. Get your grown-up voice ready. Don't worry, it's simple though. Actually, you don't even have to do that. I just use the live chat option and they respond in a flash. Just ask them to merge your 2 accounts, give all the details they ask for, and boom, bam, you're done. Alright, now once the setup is complete, we're gonna have to do a couple of things on the app. Just go to the settings right here, click on the VPN protocol, and choose Open VPN, either UDP or TCP. UDP is usually faster, so yeah, I usually go with this one. Now sadly, NordLynx, the fastest protocol, doesn't work with a dedicated IP. Addressing the speeds, however, well, they won't plummet, so don't worry. I usually don't even feel the difference to tell you the truth, and that's mostly because nobody else is on my NordVPN dedicated IP server. It's just me, But if you switch to regular servers, well, then go ahead and make sure to turn NordLynx back on. Get your speed back up, baby. Alright, anyway, from the main app window, you can find the dedicated IP option underneath the specialty servers. You see it? Alright, click the 3 dots, pick your assigned server, and you can use your VPN with dedicated IP. Now look, I've tested quite a few providers, so you might be asking, why am I suggesting Nord as the best VPN for dedicated IP? Well, look, it's not a perfect service. I mean, no cybersecurity tool is flawless, but from all the VPN reviews and tests, NordVPN, in my experience, does a great job at balancing out security, performance, and affordability. Most of these things actually go unnoticed. In addition to an audited no logs policy, NordVPN has RAM-based servers that physically can't keep user info. The privacy-friendly jurisdiction of Panama also gives me assurance with regards to my data safety, and all the necessary privacy features are there as well. Unlike another VPN I tested for this, Ivacy, Nord has the proper kill switch and all the main apps. I already talked about speeds when I showed you how to get a dedicated IP, but let's just put things into perspective, shall we? For example, PureVPN's average OpenVPN UDP speeds are noticeably slower when compared to Nord. And trust me, outside of these tests, you're gonna feel it. And since their dedicated IP add-on is quite a bit pricier, I'm not sure I can even recommend it at all. Ivacy's dedicated IP option is cheaper, but it also lags behind in performance. But yet, my main problem with them is actually how unintuitive that interface is. I have to disconnect every time I want to switch servers or change something in the settings. Honestly, it's super annoying, and Nord is just refreshing in terms of ease of use. Not just in the settings, but in the layout itself too. It's way more intuitive and clean. Brings me peace of mind. Serenity now, serenity now. Now look, while I really like the dedicated IP NordVPN has, the service itself does have some quirks, albeit them small ones. But I'm guessing that you'd still like to know about them, am I right? I also don't like that the Apple apps don't have split tunneling, but no VPN can offer such a thing these days anyway, so I guess I'm not all that mad. Okay, what else? Oh, if you're looking to set up NordVPN on your router, well, keep in mind that the setup can get quite complicated, but a simple text to customer service might be able to help you figure out the process, or you could sub to our channel. I mean, we have tutorials for basically everything these days. Alright, so look, overall, other VPN dedicated IP address options barely catch up to NordVPN if they do at all. Now, even if Nord has room to improve, it's still way more equipped and reliable. So if you decide to get it, you're going to want to click on that card in the corner to get the best possible deal. And I do mean the best possible deal. Alright, I hope this video helped you out, but hey, feel free to share your dedicated IP experiences or all your woes in the comments. Maybe we can help you out. And you know what? I'm going to see you in the next one. But if not, you still might want to check out those special deals in this nice box on the side. Just saying. Alright, till the next one.